Hi guys, we're at the vacuums.
Extreme.
Extreme.
Why don't we just go in the office?
Guys, there's people there. I don't know who that people are. Let's go. Dun, 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 dun. Are there people in here?
No.
Here's the office. It's where you can control everything.
No, he's not right here.
Our car is parked in Bay 4.
No, he's not here right now. You want to leave a message? Alright, bye.
We do not own this piece. Look at how beautiful this cover is. I like this color.
It smells good.
It smells like cherry. That's methanol.
We always used to play with this thing.
Yeah.
What is this called?
I don't know. A thing. It's called the thingy bobber. Now let's get out of here before we get in trouble.
Wait, you gotta show them outside.
Fine. Okay. Kayla wrote bye, or I wrote hi. With 2 smiley faces. Okay, let's go. Go, 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 go! Let's go take a look at the limo.
Stay over here.
Wait. What's in this garbage? Ew. Kayla, watch out. Let's go back to our car.
Oh, there's Harvey.
Okay. Let's go into the car before we get in trouble. Dance. And that is the end of our trip to the car wash. Bye.
Peace! Don't say peace anymore.
God, that's so annoying.